Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the object eraser or magic eraser on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open the gallery, and then we want to choose the photo that we want to edit. Now over here tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen, and finally choose these four circles icon, and over here you should find the object eraser. If you select it, then you can tap or draw around anything that you want to erase. So let's say I'm gonna try to erase this piece of paper. Then we have the highlight of what was selected, and then we can press erase. And there we go. If you want to do something more, then of course you still can. You can select any area that you want to, and then press erase one more time. And once you are done, press done. And then you can press save over here in the top right corner in order to save this photo and override it and override the original one, or you can press these three dots in the top right corner and save as a copy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.